Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again.
In this video of the ITRXCEL course, we will cover the three types of averages and their purpose: the mean average, the median average, the mode average, and the range. Also, we will cover how to write the formulas using the function wizard. The average is a statistical value used to analyze a dataset and identify trends, middle values, or repetitive figures. The range is the difference between the highest and the smallest number of a dataset, and it plays a key factor when deciding which of the averages is more suitable to analyze our data. Let's start with the mean average, or arithmetic mean, which is a statistical measure representing the average of a set of numbers. It is calculated by adding up all the values in a dataset and then dividing by the total number of values. It is the most common average, as it is easy to calculate, however can be used only when the data is relatively evenly, without extreme differences between the smallest and the highest number of the dataset. In this example, the range is small and there isn't any abnormal temperatures, so we can use the mean average. In the other hand, the median is the middle value in a data set when the numbers are listed in order. We should use the median average when the range is higher than normal due to some anomalies, extreme values that could deceive the mean. If there's an even number of data points, the median is the mean average of the two middle values. In the example, the median temperature is 15, which gives us a realistic representation of the average temperature in Greece during the year. Finally, the mode is the number that appears most often in a dataset. There can be one mode, more than one mode, bimodal for 2, trimodal for 3, or no mode at all. We will use the mode when we want to know the most frequent value in a dataset, such as determining the most popular product or size. In the example, the mode is 10 degrees and represent the temperature which is most frequent, however is not a value which give us a true reflection of Greece temperature during the year. In this specific example, as the range is relative low, makes sense to use the mean average. It is clear that the range play a pivotal factor in choosing the right average. As the range is the difference between the highest and lowest values in a dataset, it gives us an idea of how spread out the data is. If the range is small, the data is relatively close together, therefore the mean offers a good representation of the data. If the range is large, it indicates that the data is spread out widely. The median is often a better choice than the mean because it is less affected by outliers, which are the minimum and the maximum values. Let's have a look to the second example. January's temperature in Greece has a relative low range and all the average present a similar value. As this dataset is quite consistent, it makes sense to use the mean average, as it is easier to calculate. However, any of them provide a fair representation of the average value. In France, the range is quite high and there are some anomalies in the dataset, as the temperatures increased for 3 days. This affects the mean, which does not represent the true average of the dataset. In this case, the mode and the median are more suitable, but we would choose the mode only if we want to identify the temperature which repeat the most. The Spain's temperature dataset also has a high range with few anomalies. As in this example, the 35 degrees temperature repeat many times, provides the ideal representation of the dataset average. Let's recap now. The mean is the most used average, as it is easier to calculate and provide realistic data when the range is acceptable and there are not anomalies. Some practical examples can be calculating average salary or test scores. In case of anomalies and higher range, the median average provide a better representation of the dataset. Some practical examples can be determining median income or house prices. On the other hand, the mode can help us to identify any trends, as we focus on finding the number that occur the most. Some practical examples can be identifying popular products or fashion trends. Let's try the formula wizard now to calculate the mode in cell I17. We go to the formulas ribbon, we select cell I17. We click on the insert function icon, also called FX wizard. We type mode in the search box and press enter, select mode from the list and press OK. We clear number 1 and with the mouse we select the cells from I3 to I15 and we press OK to finalize the formula. The wizard can be used for any formulas and can help us to build functions easily. There you go. Well done everyone, and keep up with the good work.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.